We've been using the Instapot for a few months now, and honestly, it's so versatile. I don't think we need another appliance. We were big fans of being able to make rice in a rice cooker, for example, and maybe use a slow cooker for something else. Well, this does it all at once. You can either have it completely sealed or have the vent open so you actually get that steam coming out. There are so many different presets, from the stews and cakes and eggs to the multi-grain rice and porridge that you can actually do, and you can actually steam your vegetables as well. And one of my favorite things is that you have enough room to do double layers. Basically, I can have my rice in there, and I can have my chicken stew in the bottom, just cooking at the same exact time. It's really a all-in-one. I would say all-in-one. Clearly, it's a 7-in-1 kind of unit. It does so much more than just cook one single little thing at a time. And it can also keep warm for when you are expecting company. If you're not ready to eat just yet, you can keep warm your food until you're ready to eat it, of course. It's so easy to understand and to use. Comes with a very detailed manual and instruction recipes as well. Highly recommend the Instapot. It will change the way you act in the kitchen. It will make you a better chef, a better cook, a better person around the kitchen. It's awesome.